Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your SoundCore Life P2i earbuds. So first of all, you have to put both earbuds into the case. Next, you have to find this button. It's located at the bottom. You have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front blinks a few times on the red. Let's make it right now. Click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator. Keep holding. Okay, there it is. Right now we can release the button. The reset is complete. Right now the device is in setup mode. The last thing, you can just go for the all devices list and forget this device. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, remember to comment and subscribe to our channel.